Once upon a time, a lion lived in a jungle. He was very powerful, and all the animals were afraid of him. One day, a monkey came to him. The monkey was very clever and mischievous. He saw the lion and thought that he could help them. The monkey said to the lion, "I can help you. I can hunt for you and bring food for you." He saw a monkey and said, "What can you do? You are just a small monkey." The monkey said, "I am small, but I am very clever. I can hunt for you. I can hunt and bring food for you." The lion agreed to the monkey's words and told him to hunt. The monkey hunted and brought food for the lion. The lion helped the monkey. Because of his face, they decided to keep him with them. The monkey ruled the jungle in collaboration with the lions. This story teaches us that with cleverness and intelligence, we can overcome any difficulty.